Hi Alexis, my name's Christina. I really enjoyed watching your video. It provided a lot of information. I believe we are supposed to answer to your prompt 2 portion. And I do see that you kind of went with the explanation that I went with. You showed that glutamic acid is a negatively charged portion and that lysine is positively charged. You did use the terms basic and acidic. I use negatively charged and positively charged only because that was from a video that we watched in our modules. So I do agree that the amino acid pairs that you mentioned would definitely work. So aspartic acid with arginine or aspartic acid with histidine, because just like you mentioned, those interactions together, one is negatively charged and another one is positively charged, they're going to just naturally pull toward each other and hold that coiled coil together, which is also contributing to that, hydrophobic core that it has. Those negative and positive interactions are keeping kind of everything together. So you did a great job. Really loved your explanation, and thank you.